So this is going to be the second batch of the nut balls. I can't call them peanut balls because we do make them peanut free for people who are sensitive to peanuts. And so just getting started. I found my little ghetto hand grinder, which actually works pretty good. I tried doing it and it was pretty sad. I tried doing the hand grinder, you know, and it's nuts, right? Oops, sorry. I don't know what my thing is doing there. And so I'm trying to do it. Well, my right hand is worthless. It can't hold it down, so it's flinging all over the place. But it's actually a pretty good handy nut grinder. And when you put it in the blender, the problem is that the blender is finer and it gets all the oils out, and it kind of gums up your blender a little bit. So I think this nut grinder is going to be a better option. So here we've got a nut grinding reenactment from somebody who actually has two functioning hands. Actually goes pretty fast. So for this batch of nut balls, instead of the fig, we're going to do honey, but it's raw, local honey. This one came from a client of mine. The tag is a little messed up, but he talks about how they're free-range bees. That was his selling point, that they're free-range bees. And then this is from another client of mine up in Colville, kind of in the cooler area. And his little sign says, "How do you know it's pure honey if you don't know the beekeeper?" And isn't that the truth? And so, two clients of mine to the rescue. Okay, so this is round 2 that we're doing. We've got all the dry ingredients here, and then he's adding in the mixed nut butter, a little extra vanilla, because you can never have too much vanilla, and then our local Dr. Friend's honey, and now he's putting that in. Then he'll mix it and make the balls. I'm going to have him pull a little bit out that I'm going to put cinnamon on because I love me some cinnamon. So we'll show you that when it's ready. This is the last batch. And then over here, these have cinnamon in them, which I prefer. I think I like the cinnamon ones the best.